Let's finish kupu mahi off with some tasty words. Wera, hot. We-ra, wera. Makariri, cold. Ma-ka-ri-ri, makariri. Reka, sweet. Re-ka, reka. Kawa, sour. Ka-wa, kawa.
In your whare mahara, you are running across the floor of the room. You come to a river of chili sauce. You try some. It's wetter, hot. Oh. You keep running and come to a river of ice cream, which is makariri, cold. Ooh. You reach down and scoop up some of the ice cream. You taste it. Reka, sweet. You look over and where the rivers of chili and ice cream meet, a lake has formed. It tastes kawa, sour. Yuck.
So you started with a river of wera sauce. Ooh, a makariri river of ice cream that tastes reka. Where the rivers join is a kawa lake. Yuck.
Spend a couple of days firmly fixing these kupu into your memory. Then take some time to review your entire whare mahara. Go back over the words you have already learned. You'll be saying them all effortlessly in no time.